dog is this? Hey, hey. It's okay. It's okay. You know. Shh. I know. It's okay. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Okay, it's hurt. Do you know whose dog that is? No? Well, at least it's out of the road.
Go in there, boy. No, don't go on the road. There you go.
Take coffee with your cream. You squeal like a teen. And the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough. You mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities.
Here, I love you, man. Come on, man.
Perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay.
Hi, sorry.
Goofy
Can I just give you this?
self eternally.
Hey guys. Alright, so hello little one. I thought, why not do it properly? So I got a couple of bowls for the dog. A couple of apples for you guys. Some dog roll for doggy. And a couple of bottles of water, one for the dog, maybe one for you guys, maybe. I'll put some water in here for you, doggy. Whoa. There you go, mate. That's all good. Got to look after the doggy, eh? Well, so, and just something for you guys, but I would have brought more, but I just, you know. I just saw the dog and I thought, oh man, I got to sort the dog out. You alright, man?
What are you doing?
What's up?
I hope that's, you know, my reserve come on and
Okay.
I don't have a switch, you know. The fuel light just comes on and
Have you? Oh, I mean, open your tank.
I've been on.
Yeah, dude, I think you're dry.
Huh?
I think you're dry. Hold on. Let's get you some gas and try it. It would suck to be him, you know? It would suck. I mean, there's nobody gonna stop. Nobody's gonna stop for him. See if we can find him a gas can. We did it, man.
You are godsend, dude.
Let's just hope it works, man.
Huh?
Let's hope it works. Yeah. There we go, man. There she goes, my friend.
Man, fired right up, dude.
That's funny, man. You're gonna remember this though. That's what's funny about it.
Dude, you're a blessing, man. Holy cow. What a big old life you got.
Appreciate that, man.
Dude, I don't know what to tell you. Thank you very
No,
much,
man.
and I-
Thank you, man. It's been a pleasure. Yeah, man. But hey, ride safe, please. Be careful, man. Don't run out of gas. There's gas stations right over there. You take a right and take another right, and you'll be good to go, my friend. Actually, this is what I'll do. Hi, can I buy your coffee this morning? Can I buy your coffee this morning? Yeah, order whatever you want and I'll cut in front of you and I'll pay for you. Yeah. Yeah. It's for the lady behind me. She's getting it. I was just paying for her. Yeah. Thanks. Hey. You're very welcome. I saw that you also paid for the person behind you. That's awesome. Thanks so much for keeping it going. You're very welcome. Wow, you're getting married tomorrow. That's incredible. You see? It just works like that. That's awesome. Congratulations. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. Congratulations. That's amazing. That's amazing. Absolutely. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay? All right. Drive safe. Hey, how are you?
Good,
Doing really good. So, what's the sweetest thing on your menu that I can buy for the next person in line?
The sweetest thing?
Yeah.
Like, you mean like sweet like sugar?
I mean, just awesome. Like what? Like, I mean, what's the like if you got this thing, you'd be like, oh yes, that's awesome.
I think like a meal
Like I don't know, maybe just like a cookie or like ice cream.
or a cookie. Oh man.
You like cookies? Okay. All right. So can I order one cookie for that car, the black car that's in front of me? I don't know if there's any way for her to like get it in her bag or if that.
If you want, I can go tell my
Yeah.
operator. So
Okay.
I'll go ahead and do that really fast.
Yeah?
Go to put it in there.
Okay. Awesome.
Now what else can I get for you?
Oh, that's it. I just wanted to do that.
All right.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 120 for you.
Okay. Cool.
Can I have your name? Really?
Michael.
All right, Michael. All right. Have a great day.
Okay. Thanks. You too. Bye. Thanks for your help.
You're buying from Maria?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know her. I just was buying someone something. Yeah. Appreciate that. Hey, did you get your cookie? Yeah? I hope it made your day somewhat. Yeah, have a good day. You as well, thanks, bye. Hey, do you like Frosties? You do? Can I get you one? Can I buy you one? Yeah, do you like them? Would you have it? Would you eat it? Okay, I'll get you one. Let me get up there, okay? I just want to order a Frosty and it's going to go to the car behind me if that's okay.
No problem. Nothing vanilla.
Let's do, that's a good question. Let's do vanilla. Hey, that's going to go to the car right behind me, okay? Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Hey, I hope that made your day. Yeah, have a good day, okay? Thanks. Bye. You too. You too. Thanks. Hey, that's the cutest dog I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. Have a good day.